What's happening, YouTube? Oh, wait a minute. A little too much Peter McKinnon? I'll dial it back next time. Who knows? Hey, I know it's been about a little more than a week since I've been on. Been kind of laid back this last week. Took the weekend off from the shop. Didn't do anything out there. I had a meeting this past Sunday with one of my AAW chapters. This one's down in southern Indiana, the IKI chapter. Learned about two-piece hollow forms. Really kind of interesting. I might be trying one. So if I do, I'll film it, share it with you guys. Then this past Wednesday, I was the demonstrator for the Bloomington chapter where I made a lidded box. Nothing too special about that one. It was really just your basic lidded box. Cutting a tenon, cutting a mortise, putting the two together. Hey, you got a lidded box. Okay, there's a little hollowing in there too. And sanding. Okay, it's maybe not that easy. But it's fun. So, let's do a little mail call. Oh yeah! So what I've got here is some lace maple burl. Let's put that down a little bit so you can see the grain a little bit better. What do you think of that, huh? Eh? Not too bad, huh? Won that off of eBay. Pretty pleased with it. Just shy of 15 inches long, 12 inches at the widest point, and about 1.5 inches thick. So I can see a lot of castings coming out of this stuff. You guys have any ideas what I should make with it? Let me know in the comments below. Pine cone castings. Those are coming soon too. My son wants me to make him a pocket knife. And I thought, you know, he's in the Air Force now, he's away from home. Why not take a pine cone from our front yard and make a knife scale out of it? That way he always has a little piece of home with him when he's gone. Thought he might like that. So, be prepared to see this in the near future. I also have some sweet gum pods that I plan on doing a hybrid cast as well. I got to clean those up first. They're kind of full of dirt and need to have some holes drilled into them so that the resin will flow in and out of the pods well and not trap any air. There's something new I tried this week. This really has nothing to do with wood turning, but it was something that I'd seen on YouTube and at least wanted to give a try. I actually had to order some different resin to do this because I couldn't do it with Alumilite. Anyway, I made some resin art. It's not exactly what I was going for, but once I screwed up what I was going for, I said screw it and just started throwing down color. I've already been told by my wife that she's called dibs, so I can't do anything with this except give it to her when she gets home. This is something I do plan to do more of in the future. It was really fun. It took me maybe an hour to do, and that's because I'm new at it. You know, from what I've seen, the people who do this on YouTube normally can usually make one of these in about a half an hour. I have a couple more pieces of equipment that I need to get to actually do this correctly, but they're not expensive, so I'll be able to get them this next week. If this was something that you would like to see done, let me know in the comments below. If you would rather me just stick to the woodworking, which I'm fine doing, let me know that as well. I just thought you might be interested in this, and if you want me to share what I'm doing with this, I'd be more than happy to. If not, this will just be my side hustle. Here's my thoughts on doing extra things like this that aren't necessarily woodworking. The plan is for me to do at least a couple of craft shows this year, or try to get in with one of the gun shows and sell my pens. But I don't want to be just a one-trick pony. So, you know, there's going to be pens, there's going to be seam rippers, there'll be some flat work there, like some carving boards, that kind of thing. But I also thought it might be a good idea to have some sort of artwork there. And this is something that is fun to do, easy to throw together, and I don't know, I might get away with charging 25 bucks for something like that. And if nothing else, it's an attention grabber. It'll bring somebody towards my booth, draw them into a conversation so that I can show them everything that I have at the table. So it's all about just getting their attention. And once you get their attention, it's a lot easier to draw them into a conversation and try and make a sale. Let's see, there was something else that I was supposed to do tonight. What? Yeah, thanks. Thanks for reminding me there. We got to pick a couple of winners. For the first one, and congratulations. Thanks for entering. Now for our second winner. And congratulations to you as well. So that's it for right now. It's kind of short and sweet tonight. Whether or not I'm able to stay out here in the shop is kind of dependent on the wind. Believe it or not, there is a huge fire on the edge of the town limits here. Evidently some mulch has caught fire. And you can't put that out. You just got to let it burn. So depending on which way the wind is blowing, I'm either engulfed in smoke or it's just like any other day. So I really don't want to deal with the smoke. So I'm going to head in, edit this, get it uploaded so that you guys will know who the winners are. For you two who won tonight, please send me an email to the address that you're going to see right here. And let me know your mailing address and your color preferences. I'll do 2 colors. I can do a single color if you like. I've got mica powders. If you want to know what colors I can do, I'll let you know that. And like I said, if there's a color I don't have, I'm always looking for an excuse to get more mica powder. So I will give you the full list of what's available to me, and we'll get you some hybrids made. All right? Thank you all for watching this evening. I really appreciate all the new subscribers. If you're new here and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button down below. Ring that bell so that you'll get notifications of when I upload new videos. I hope you all have a safe and productive week in your shops, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.